Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to insert text in Microsoft Word without box. Like you want to type anywhere in your document without box. So you can type, just guys you have to double click anywhere in your document like this. So you will see your cursor is there. Like you want to type here. So double click and type your text here. So this is the easy trick to type anywhere in your document. Guys, so we can see properly. Okay, now here type double click. Once you double click, you will see your cursor is appear and disappear. So this is the trick and way to type text anywhere in your document. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe this channel.